Hi friends, today I'm starting HTML tutorials. Today class we discussed HTML introduction. So I will share my screen. So today onwards I'm starting HTML tutorials. So I'm discussing what topics in HTML tutorials where the topics is introduction of HTML. Second one is the HTML tables, how to create tables in HTML, and also lists, links, colors, forms, media, headers, layouts, graphics, HTML APIs we discussed before. After completing JavaScript tutorials, then continue to talk in HTML APIs, how to use in APIs because it's scripted to use HTML demos also, tools also, frames also. Okay. So before that, I'm discussing roadmap of HTML. Look at now in my SQL tutorials. I will show roadmap. This is the roadmap of this is the roadmap of beginners HTML roadmaps like HTML basics, whatever the basics we learn in first classes, where it is introduction, history, editors, tags, attributes like inner classes, elements. After that, HTML links, then listings. Links are links type like testing links, image links, and email links. After that, I I will discuss HTML is listings, where it is listings, unordered list to order list to definition list like order, unorder, whatever. In future, I will discuss definitions everything. So you don't worry about that. After that, we covered HTML tables, just like table types, headers, captions, styles, call groups like combination of color groups, column groups, and nested tables. After finishing tables, we will discuss HTML forms, how to create forms, how to insert attributes, controls, attributes, then then HTML graphics, even HTML layouts also. HTML layouts, where it is layout elements using CSS, web designs, symbols, emojis, everything I will discuss. After that, HTML graphics like SVG graphics, HTML canvas. After that, HTML APIs. Before, when I will discussing JavaScript, after that we will start in HTML APIs. Before that, I am teaching HTML API, but you won't understand what I am saying. That's what before starting HTML API, we discuss JavaScript tutorials also. That's all about HTML roadmap. So so today class I'm discussing what is HTML. What is HTML? If anybody knows, please feel free. Ping me a message or else ping me a comment box. What is HTML? Feel free. If anything else, I can accept. I'm not talking this is right, this is wrong. So feel free, can text it. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language. It's a markup language. So it contains HTML, contains websites, website creations, app creations, whatever, whatever the web designs. Just like so HTML is like a hypertext markup language. It's not a programming language. It contains website creations, app creations, whatever the web design, whatever user interface. Nowadays in Google, huge web applications is there. Just like for example, Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, whatever the online platforms also use there. So how the company did develop web applications? So through the help of HTML code. Without writing HTML code, we won't develop web applications. So just I am sure if any platform, look at here. I will explain what is that. For example, this is HTML tutorial. So look at right click, inspect. Look at here. So this is the HTML code. This is the CSS code. This is the JavaScript code. Body, layer base, everything. Source code. Look at here. Without, this is one web application: home, whiteboard, graphic calculator, online compiler, everything. This is one website. So without writing HTML code, it won't displayed, because HTML code is a markup language. It's mark means tags. Look like this. Show how the developer did develop in tutorials website. Look at here. This is styles. We are using CSS, just like a background color, sizing, boss, and layers div. This is display block. Look like this. Everything. This is style sheets, and DOM breakpoints, properties. Properties like a JavaScript. This is the JavaScript code. DOM is the JavaScript event listeners, also JavaScript code. Layout also JavaScript code. Commands, everything. Console. And I will show one more website. Look at, look in the website. So right click, inspect. This is a Flipkart web application. So look here. These are the styles, layouts like HTML layouts, consoles, source code is here, network. So look in here. This is JavaScript codes and elements, consoles, drops. drop down. This is the CSS codes, listeners, objects, everything stored here. The so simply say that. So not without developers without using HTML code, they won't design or create web application or app design or apps. That's the need of front end development. It's mostly so. This is the introduction of HTML tutorials and how to write a HTML code in Notepad. So I had explained my YouTube. Please will visit to get the point. So I'm not talking how to write an HTML code in a notepad because I had explained my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm not talking. Where it is wait a minute, I will show where